Hey everybody, it's me again. Today I am going to bring you guys to IKEA Damansara. We are not at IKEA food court. Today is Wednesday, and the crowd is still there. Expect more people during the weekend. Let's look at their food option here. There is Swedish almond cake, and they have my favorite almond cake with Dane chocolate. They're also serve sandwiches. Besides sandwiches, they also serve salad. My another all-time favorite is the beef meatball. They have cheese-baked lasagna, jumbo sausages, spring roll, cinnamon, croissant, mushroom soups. Our tray is full of food. I will show you more shortly. They also serve coffee and soft drinks. Price is reasonable too. Yummy yummy! The beef ball is so chewy. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.